What about making yours sound better?
Okay, so here we are. Crocky, it's me, AJ Irwin. We're here in the great outdoors. We're learning survival techniques with me. You know, as a long-time survivalist, I know plenty about these woods and what to eat and what not to eat and how to kill your fucking prey. We're gonna do a lot of killing. We're gonna do some surviving. We're gonna build in some shelters. We're gonna be eating some shit. Hopefully not actual shit, but some stuff, some berries, you know, some nice greens. So get ready, folks.
Is it hot wearing that vest?
These boots are fucking hot too.
That camera's not waterproof. I know what a waterproof camera looks like.
I'm not going in the water. I'm not going swimming. Sean, are we going swimming or are we going surviving in the wilderness? We're fucking these woods in the ass, my dude. These woods ain't shit to me.
Keep going all the way down.
This is where you die. Hey, go ahead and fiddle yourself a little sharpened spear fishy stick. Cut. Okay, now here we are. Nice and sharp there. Yeah, perfect for killing shit. Now let's go find some shit to kill. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to ignore the wild beasts. I'm going to show you how to spear.
This is AJ and this is Fun with
Spear
Flags.
fishing. Cut. What? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to spear fish right now. Get yourself a nice sharp stick. Cut. Go.
I'm quite enjoying this.
Oh man! and sometimes you'll just find a whole sandwich. Okay, so I'm starting with the bathroom, which is probably where I'm going to be sleeping for a little while because obviously there's a lot more work to be done. But then we got a little roof here. There's a door, back door, and yeah, not too shabby. I feel like I could take a nap here. What'd you say?
This is how you protect yourself in the wild. These right here.
You never know what you'll come across.
I don't know if you guys can hear that right now, but some grown man is trying to get two little boys to come hang out with him. How do you feel about that, Sean?
I can't call it, man.
It sounds like Sean might support pedophilia.
Ow!
Damn. Did you see this side, bro?
Maybe these motherfuckers hurt, dude. Imagine if you were just running and you went to go grab
Yeah.
onto this or something.
Or you just ran into it.
Shitty day.
You dead. You're done.
Alright, I got two of them. Itchy again. I'm about to go get in that fucking water. And fucking rinse this sweat off. Come on off. Fucking.
Mind the shot. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to ignore the wild beast.
This is AJ and this is Fun with
Spear
Flags.
fishing. Cut. What? Something to eat. Did you get that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So. Not that hungry.